So hello everyone. So today in today's session I'm going to cover one simple example of list. Okay, so basically it is nothing but we will have one list. We are going to slice that list into three parts and we will display the reverse order of each and every part. So I'm writing over here L1 equal to and square bracket I'm writing some numbers like for example if it is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. So I'm taking total 9 numbers and we are interested in dividing in three parts and then we will display the reverse of that. Okay, so now obviously we want in a gap of 3, so we will require one more variable, that is n equal to 3, and then we will write one for loop I in range. Okay, and it will start from 0 and it will go till the length of L1, that will be the last part, and increment by 3 because we want gap of 3. So either you can write gap of 3 also, but otherwise if you want you can write here n also because we have used n over here. Okay, and then colon, and here inside of this I will declare one variable, that is my result variable, result equal to. So now I'm going to write two things. One is L1 and inside this square bracket obviously the slicing concept, it should start from 0, so that is I, and colon 0 to total 3 elements, so it is till 2, so I will write I plus n. Okay, so that is the first thing, that in the first part I will get index number 0, index number 1 and index number 2. Then I will write one more thing, like I want answer in the reverse order, so I will write start. I'm not going to give any start or end. I will simply write step count as -1, and then I will print my result, and if I want everything in one line, so after that I will write and equal to and then say space. Okay, and then close the bracket. So now I will quickly just save this program and then I will run this module. So you all can see it is actually showing me 3 to 1 for 1, 2 and 3, and same way for 654, and then same way 9, 8, 7. This one. See, you all can see it is 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 9, 7, 8, 9, and it is 9, 8, 7. And suppose in case you do not have total 9 elements but more than that, so it will create one more list but of that much element only. Suppose after 9 I am writing 10 and only 11, like so. Here you can see it will divide in three parts, but this is first part, this is second, this is third one, and this will be the fourth one. So in the fourth one output will be reverse order, will be 11 and 10. So if you want you can check that also, like I will click on save button and then F5. See, we are getting last one as 11 and 10. So that is all about slicing into three parts and display the reverse of each part. Thank you.